just arrived in Canada, the new Broncolor Satos 3200 with a couple of batteries and a couple of slide-in power supplies and brand new Pulso L 3200, and I'm going to open these up. And let's get to it. Oh, this nice folding card with QR code so you can find out everything you need to know about your new Satos. Ta-da! Look at that beauty. Protecting film, and we're going to need Broncolor. Now, before I plug this in, let's get some AC power supplies and batteries in there. So I will start with the AC power supply. And on this end, you'll notice we have 4 slots and 2 of them have AC and battery, so you can only put AC in the AC. So I will slide that in, push until it locks. One more. There we go. And let's get some batteries in there. So we have lithium-ion batteries. I've done this setup with 2 of them. So we'll slide that in. Make sure it locks. And the second battery. And there you have it. This is the ideal studio setup with 2 AC power supplies and 2 battery units. And now I can plug it in. So we've got our blue light. Oh, let's get a better angle for you here. Ooh, Broncolor Satos. First time in Canada. And we have booted up. The screen is ready. There's nothing to show because there's nothing plugged in yet. So just give me a second. All right, so we have our Pulso L. There we go. Ooh, you get a couple of Broncolor stickers now with you here. Again, warranty information, user manual, and a nice printed card with QR code so you can find the manual in your language. First thing you'll notice on the new Pulso L, the cable is much thicker and more robust than even the great cables that came on the past ones. This is a handy little add-on. Video instructions on how to replace flash tubes. and protecting glasses. So this is pretty important, especially for newer Broncolor users. Open this up, and a brand new Pulso L. And I happen to have a stand handy. Let's just keep that down. Go. Make sure my angle works. Okay, so we have our Pulso L on a stand. And let's plug it in. So, as Urs Recker says, take the cable, just leave it around, don't loop it nicely. And we'll plug it into channel 1. And I'm going to remove the cap. There we go. So as you can see, we've got a new display on the Pulso L. It's in a housing that looks very reminiscent of the F-160. And there's our display on the Satos. Now this is really cool. I'm going to go over the features more in this in depth, but I can dial the power up on my lamp head and it's reflected in the pack. So you've got this new dual communication system which makes operating your lighting gear so much easier, and I can't wait to get this in studio and start using it. But for now, this is just a preview of what it looks like coming out of the box. And there will be more coming, but for now, we're shutting down, and just keep following us for more.